Hello everyone. Today we'll do class 6 biology, chapter 4 health and hygiene, exercise question and answer part 2. Now I am going to start at length questions. Number A, explain the following terms. 1. Vermicomposting. When the composting done by adding earthworms into the pit, this is called vermicomposting. Number 2, balanced diet. A diet which is composed of all essentials, nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals and roughages in adequate proportion is called balanced diet. Number 3, hygiene. The condition and practices that help to maintain health and prevent the spread of diseases is called hygiene. Number 4, uremia. If the kidney fails to function properly, the toxic wastes get accumulated in the blood and cause a disease known as uremia. Number 5, degenerative diseases. Answer is degenerative diseases are usually related to increasing age. Most common among them are arthritis, cataract, etc. Now, question number B, differentiate the followings. Number 1, differentiate between proteins and minerals. Point 1, proteins are essential for the growth, development, structure and function of cells, tissue and organs. Number 1, in minerals, minerals are chemical elements found in food that are important for growth and development of the body. Point number 2, in proteins, protein deficiency disease is kwashiorkor. Number 2, in minerals, mineral deficiency disease is anemia. Number 3, in protein, egg, meat, fish, etc. are the sources of proteins. Number 3, in mineral, salt, banana, pulses, vegetables, etc. are the sources of minerals. Number 2, differentiate between personal hygiene and community hygiene. Number 1, personal hygiene means maintaining personal cleanliness. Number 1, keeping the surrounding clean to maintain good health and fitness of the people is called community hygiene. Number 2, personal hygiene involves habits like taking regular bath, washing hands before and after every meal, etc. Number 2, community hygiene involves proper disposal of wastes, managing environmental pollution, etc. Now, differentiate between communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Number 1, a disease which can spread from one person to another person is known as communicable disease. For example, influenza. Number 1, a disease which is non-infectious and is not caused by pathogens is known as non-communicable disease. For example, diabetes. Question number C, answer the followings. Number 1, list the factors that affects the health of a person. Answer is, there are certain factors that affect the health of a person such as balanced diet, personal hygiene, community hygiene, adequate exercise and rest, protection against communicable diseases. Question number 2, why is it necessary to do physical exercise? Answer is, regular physical exercise makes muscle and bones strong, improve the coordination between muscles and nerves, the heart pumps more blood into the arteries, the lungs expand fully to take maximum oxygen, helps in relieving mental tension, etc. Question number 3, what are communicable diseases? How do they spread through food and water? Answer is, a disease which can spread from one person to another person is known as communicable disease. For example, influenza. Now, waterborne diseases. Germs from the healthy person enter into the water when he baths, washes or defecates near a source of water. When this water gets mixed with drinking water and is consumed by a healthy person, it causes waterborne diseases. Now, how do the foodborne diseases spread? If cut fruits, vegetables and other food items are not covered, they are frequented by flies. These flies carry germs from garbage and drop them on the exposed food, which becomes a source of foodborne diseases. Now, question number 4. Write down a few measures to avoid infections. Answer: few measures to avoid infections. First, drink filtered or boiled water. Keep food covered and do not eat exposed food. Do not let water stagnate near your house. Do not use clothes, food items or other articles of a patient suffering from an infectious disease. Keep garbage bin covered. Question number 5. What are organ malfunction disease? Explain. Diseases which are caused due to malfunctioning of body organs are called organ malfunction disease. For example, insulin is a hormone which controls sugar level in the blood. It enables liver to convert excess glucose to glycogen and store it. It is secreted by the cells of islets of Langerhans lodged in the pancreas. When these cells do not function properly, the pancreas fails to produce sufficient insulin, leading to diabetes.